Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this error in Windows where it says 0xc, multiple zeros, and 7b. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, gotta go to your search bar and type down Windows features. Okay, as you can see here, we have turn Windows features on or off. So what you'll do is just click on it, wait for it to load, and make sure that both .NETs right here or all .NETs are enabled. Okay, you can go ahead and click on the checkbox right here or the plus sign and enable all options right here. Okay, and once that's done, just hit on OK. Wait for a pop-up like this and just wait for the process to finish. Okay, as you can see here, it's almost done. Applying changes, and after this step, close it. Now restart your computer, and it should work now. If that still work, don't worry, you still have an option. Just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. All right, now go ahead and type down DirectX download. Okay, now click on the ones from Microsoft. Okay, DirectX and User Runtime Web Installer, and then here just click on download, and a download page will pop up. Go ahead and save it wherever you want. And once that's done, go ahead and open up the installer. You'll be able to see DX Web Setup right into your desktop. So just double click on it and just follow the simple prompts from here. Hit on I accept, hit on next, disable this bloatware, and hit on next, next, next. Okay. And once you're done installing DirectX, you can now go ahead and again restart your computer. And after that, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.